Yeah, so to speak.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's see. There we are. So, we're back. Finally got a video to shoot. It's going to be a short one, I'm pretty sure. Today, I'm happy to announce that I finally got my final drive. So, this is the final drive out of a Suzuki VS1400. This is the final drive that I've been needing for my VL800. So stay longer in the gears. RPMs at high speed are lower, so better for the engine, better for the bike. I gotta get all the styrofoam out of it. The guy that shipped it from eBay, which I got a fucking steal on this final drive.
So do you have any Bloody Marys?
Oh, come on with this swipe. So, God, you guys can't see shit. So, most of these final drives are going for like 100 to 150 on eBay. I got this one for $30. The guy in his post said he was going to do exactly what I'm doing. The final drive swap, a lot of people call it the DJ mod or whatever. He sold the bike, doesn't want this sitting on a shelf, and there's a dent in the casing that he was worried about. It doesn't affect anything. I decided, fuck it, for $75 because it was $50 for the or $30 for the final drive, and then whatever it was to ship because it's pretty heavy. This is the dent he was talking about. Get my camera to cooperate. Right here, which you can see on the back side. It's cracked, but the casting that this bolts into is right there. So we're gonna blow it out. I'm gonna take a pry bar. I'm just gonna sit in there and I'm gonna bend it out a little bit, test fit it. So let's see what happens. All right, so got it all cleaned out. All right, so we're all cleaned out. All we're gonna do, I might have to find something to prop this up on. That'll work. All we're gonna do is just come behind this plate. Try to, anyways. Is there even a lip back there? Yeah, there's a little bit. I'm just gonna try to slowly massage it back, which I don't think that's gonna work. So, persuasion. Ooh. I don't know if that's gonna get us anywhere.
It's history. Man, everything's broken around this place. Hey, yo, Doc, you got something?
Well, it's coming a little bit. You guys aren't gonna be able to see it in the camera. Oops. Broke it. That was kind of already the plan. It was already cracked enough that it was gonna break anyways. So what we'll do, get it propped back up. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get away with this. This is a seal right here There's like 3 or 4 more seals in here. Maybe like 2. I don't think it's gonna leak any.
No extra charge, right?
And if it does, once it's all put back together, if it does leak gear fluid out of here, I'll just JB weld it. I don't care what it looks like. This is gonna be the bottom. They would paint it anyways, so once it's black, you're really not gonna see it. Here, we'll yeah, I think we're gonna be just fine.
Sorry there, bro.
Yeah, she's not gonna leak any. Alright, next, I'll turn it this way. We gotta get the seal out. Now I do have a seal on the way, so well, a little bit of damage we do to this one, it's not gonna matter. I'm gonna try a pretty crude and easy way to do this since I don't have any seal removers. I'm gonna find something better. Okay, so I wanted to try something off camera and it pretty much worked. So this seal is so small and so just,
Yeah, it's an antique for sure.
like I said, I have a new one coming, so it's not a big deal. Alright. Couldn't have done that any better. I got the C-clip right in front of me.
But that's all. I'm not promising I'll buy it, not till I've seen it.
Right, I'm gonna grab my angle ones. Hey babe, if you're watching this video, snap ring plier set. That's what I want for Christmas.
Did you run out of funds from all the plastic surgery, Hakeem?
You got it all wrong, I'm not.
Don't move. Pretty slippery.
If anybody
Your face.
here's anything, here's what's in the background. I'm giving Cowboy Bebop a shot.
Stop it, funny bitch.
Never watched it?
My baby's
Well, we'll just have it running in the background.
Open the case.
Why me? This is a misunderstanding.
Do it.
Here you go, a nice little collar, all right?
Finally get a pair to bite and it won't
Dog instead of a duck.
budge.
Yeah, right. What do you got?
Well,
Come on. There we go. Got it. That was
100%
a 5-minute clip for fuck all.
Yeah, that's right. That's all the presents
Bam.
there are.
Shit! This whole thing gives me a headache. It's all because of this worthless butt.
And we take this shaft. First,
The dog is worth
we had it milled down.
motor is worth a
3/8 here, 3/8 there.
Right, big friend.
That should just.
It's and pens. They're all
And yes,
oil painted
everything
blood.
will get relubed after. Once I get everything. This is just all to test fit.
What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock, where are the buttons?
What? I don't have any.
Who was that running with Hakeem? One of his boys? Seems that way. We have no clue.
Yes.
Got to find it. If it falls into police hands, we're in very deep shit, my friend. all that work. He's furnace. It'll all be for nothing if this gets out in the old games that way. He has no idea how much blood he's putting into that single dog. Why don't you do this part of it?
Complaining again. Didn't your grandmother ever tell you that a good boy ain't finished when it starts?
My grandmother died before I was born.
Like condolences. You got our guy exactly where we want him.
Huh.
Once, just stick to the plan.
There's no spring in this. There's supposed to be a spring.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I need to reschedule the meeting one more day. No, it wasn't a big deal. I just...
Ooh,
What do you mean
there we go.
impossible? All right. Hey, wait a minute.
Boom. Snapped in. Alright. We're gonna get this over to the bike and see if it'll go in and do what it's supposed to. Alright. Now we got you guys set up. That's gonna be the pain in the ass part. Well, that's going to prove to be a lot more difficult. And I forgot I have to drill these out to a 1/2 inch, I think. So, you know, drill bits, drill these out. Alright guys, I had to go get an actual 9/16 drill bit. You guys take card. Can my wife Venmo you? I don't have Venmo, but my wife does. We just gotta drill these out to 9/16.
Thank you so much. You guys have a great day. Thanks.
And that, my friends, is a fitted VS1400 final drive. So we just gotta snug all these up, get it flushed in there, and we should be good. Yay. Well, I did it off camera, but snugged all these up, everything went flush. Yeah, wet flush, no binding. If we come around the back, I'm gonna grab a rag. Come around to the back. Bike is in neutral at the moment. Does spin. Everything's super cold, so it's not spinning fast. But yeah, I'm hyped. Got to order these, my 3-inch drop links. Off camera the last couple of days, I finished taking off the the pair valve to do the naked jogs. I have to get these plates replaced, which now that I'm going to be working back out at Wilson Trailer, I just grabbed a couple of small pieces of scrap steel, which will probably happen on Tuesday. Drill them out, and these go right back in here. Sorry, these go right back in here. They block off these steel pipes that recirculate the exhaust gases. Do have to take the carb off. I want to take it off, clean it. I have no carb cleaner at the moment. But yeah, there it is. Like, I was super stoked that I was able to obtain this. It's on. So the main mod is finished. I mean, I could put the rear tire on and mock it all up that way, but there's no point to it. I mean, yeah, there's no point to it. So yeah, that's the video of this today. Like I said, it's short. I just wanted to show mocking up the final drive. It's on. The shaft's all finished. Like I said, we still have to get that seal back. That'll be here Thursday. Get that seal. We gotta fill it. I do want to get a new tire before I ride this, but because taking this bike apart is way too easy, I think I'll get it, everything finalized, finished, and done with that tire. Ride it, you know, shake it down, because I might have to do some jetting, and ride it with the new jetting for the airbox and for the naked jug mod. I'm everywhere. We got Zoe out there selling cookies, and I'm just in here working on a motorcycle. Yeah, sorry for the ramble. Thanks for watching, guys. Short video, like I said. We're working on it. We're getting there. Now I'm back at Wilson Trailer. Money's gonna come in a little bit better. Projects are gonna get done. I'm giving myself, see, it's March, April, May. May 1st. This is done and my truck's done. It's on camera. Hey, it's on camera. May 1st. That's done and my truck's done. Wife's in the car. You guys hear it. May 1st. Truck's running. Bike's running. See you guys later.